I am excited to share my chicken and avocado salad recipe, but first, I want to take you back to a memorable summer a few years ago. It all started with a spontaneous hiking trip with some close friends. We decided to explore a new trail that promised stunning views, but as we set off, we had no idea how challenging it would be. The first few miles were beautiful, surrounded by trees and the sound of birds singing. We felt invisible, laughing and taking pictures along the way. But then came the steep incline. With every step, we were reminded how out of shape we were. We took breaks, shared stories, and encouraged each other. But by the time we reached the summit, we were exhausted. The view, however, was worth every ounce of energy. We stood there, taking it all in, feeling on top of the world, but still exhausted. After soaking in the beauty, we realized we had worked up quite an appetite. I had packed some leftovers, so I suggested we make a quick salad. I pulled out the grilled chicken, ripe avocados, and a mix of veggies I had prepped. We found a cozy spot, laid out our picnic blankets, and started assembling the salad. As we mixed everything together, we had this nice bowl of salad in front of us. Every bite was not just about the food, it was about the laughter, the stories we shared, and the adventure we had just experienced. The combination of flavors was perfect, and it was so refreshing after our hike. We all agreed it was one of the best meals we had that week. And it was so simple. Now, every time I make this salad, I am transported back to that day, feeling the sun on my face, the laughter of my friends around me, and that incredible sense of accomplishment. So stay with me. Let's recreate that memory today. I will walk you through my favorite chicken and avocado salad recipe step by step. Trust me, it is a dish that is not only delicious, but a reminder of the joy found in simple moments with great company. If you have enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in my next one.